Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Firestarter Breaks here with a 2023 Bowman Blaster. This is for Rocky over at Rad Dad and B Dog. Check them out. I'll link their channel in the description. Let's see if we can hit something good for them. Found these at my Walmart. And then I find my LCS has them as well. So let's see what we can pull out of here. Hopefully the video stays good. They do have some rare retail exclusive greens, so maybe we'll pull one of those, maybe pull an autograph, limited autographs and all that. So let's get started. Pack number one. Sure Rocky won't mind if I save a couple wrappers for Mr. Bud Stoney for his collection. We'll start off with number one here. Miguel Garcia. Got Matt Wallner. You got Garrett Cole. You got Manny. Mr. Machado. You got Goldie. That guy's supposed to be good. We'll limit him up. And our first insert is going to be Sights on September. Matt McClain for Cincinnati. Our Bowman first so far is Dylan O'Ray. Right there. Got a Jason Dominguez. Colson Montgomery. Kumar Rocker on the foil or chrome. And a Bowman first of Yofre Solano. Nice. Pack number two. Again, trying to do this as neat as I can. Mr. Stoney. These are forward. Let's try this way, I guess. We got Jordan Groshans. Rookie card. Mookie. Hobby. E-Guy Rosario. Kyle Stowers. Acuna. There you go. Henry Davis, number 14 overall. Matt Mervis. Tamar Johnson. Oscar Colas. Still waiting for his autograph from Panini from like 2 years ago, if not longer. Got Mr. Jordan Lawler on the chrome. And Angel Ganao, I guess. Bowman first for the Guardians. Put that over there. I gotta hit something good here. Come on now. Clean for a third pack from Mr. Stoney. Put these around. We got Vinny Pasquantino. Simeon Woods Richardson. Aaron Judge. Jordan Diaz for the A's. There you go, Rocky. Mr. Awan Osoto. Mr. Arenado. Garrett Mitchell, Rookie of the Year favorites. Put that over there. Tony Blanco Jr., first Bowman paper. Edwin Arroyo. Murray Show, whatever. First Bowman. Elijah Green. I think he'll end up being good for us. And an Oscar Colas on the chrome. Nice. All right, let's see if we can put one of those greens. That's what we're looking for. Or an auto would be nice too. Gabriel Morano. Do you like jazz? Freddie Freeman. Riley Green, good rookie card. Jose Ramirez. Mr. Joey Votto, Mr. Matt Olson, Blake Louvier, Bowman first, Marcos Cabrera, Bowman first, Samuel Zavala, Norwillian Sedano, I guess, I don't know, Bowman first chrome, that's a nice one. Got a James Woods, there you go, that's a nice one. That is sweet. I had to talk to Rocky about some of these, the Soto and the James Wood. Levon Soto. I don't think he's related to Juan at all, though. Brett Batty. Stanton. Peguero. Herrera. Seager. Number 7. There you go. Drew Jones. For the Diamondbacks. That'll be nice. Let's leave that up. Amarano Boyd first. Anthony Peguero first. Ruben Santana first. That guy with the long number name first. Marcus Lee Sang, Roman Chrome first. All right, last pack magic. See what we can pull here. Not sure. Got good old Brandon Crawford. J.D. Martinez. Salvi Perez. Tovar. Hunter Green. D.L. Hall. Got a prospects of Samuel Munoz. It's a nice looking card. We got a Roman Anthony, first Bowman. Yanir Fernandez, first Bowman. And Ariel Almonte, first Bowman. Sorry. Logan Wagner, first Bowman Chrome. Dylan Frias, first Bowman Chrome. And Brady Howells on the Chrome. So no autos, bud. Apologize, but some decent cards. You got a Drew Jones, which is nice. So everybody, check out Rad Dad and B-Dog. I'll link their channel in the description below. Be safe. Treat others how you want to be treated. And everybody have a blessed day. We'll see you on the flippity-dippity side. Peace.